I'm going to show you how to do meal prep for a whole week for under £10. We've got pasta, chicken, potatoes, we've got mixed veg, we've got golden rice, we've got sweet potato mash, tagliatelle. It's going off. First thing we're going to do, we're going to prep the chicken. We're going to spatchcock the chicken. First thing we're going to do, remove the spine. If you can ask your butcher to do this for you if you're uncomfortable. Don't use scissors. Look at me. Idiot. Right, knife. Next thing. Either side of the bone, the spine, just cut down the side. See it there? Don't go through to the other side though. You want to keep the breast skin intact. That's what's going to hold it together. See it there? Spine gone. Boom. Get yourself a bowl. We're going to give chicken a bath. Lemon. Squeeze. Yeah, boy. Bare lemon juice. 1 lemon. Bang that straight in there. Some water. Just going to give it a bath. Wash the chicken. Wash the meat. You know the score. If you've been watching for time, you know the score. We wash the meat, yeah? Because more time it comes from a place like this, and come on. Look on this slime. Ready. Now we're just going to pat dry with a paper towel. No messing about, man. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to season this bad boy. It's a bad boy recipe. Oh, white pepper. We've got some thyme there going in. Smoked paprika, salt. You can just use smoked paprika and extra salt. Chili flakes in there. Yeah, garlic granules or powder. You want to go heavy on this. Golden syrup. You can use honey. It's going to give it a lovely glaze. You can use sugar-free if you're on a gym thing. Yeah? Plenty of that. 2 tablespoons. Normal paprika. Yeah, boy. Coriander. Turmeric. Curry powder. Yeah, man. Filippo Bello olive oil. Slosh that on there. Good 4 tablespoons of that. Mix that into a nice spice paste. A marinade. You see it? Yeah, man. Bring your chicken back. Now we're just going to slit some lines in the skin. As this isn't going to marinate overnight or, you know, for 2-3 days like I like it to permeate into the meat. You see it? So we're just going to cut that. Give it a little stab there, slice there. No messing, don't go overboard, bloodies. Now, straight on with your paste. Yeah, man. Chicken's my ting, you know, blood. We're going to do all the accompaniments as well. If you're doing it for the whole week, like I said, get 2 chickens, get some steaks, do it same way. But you're going to have plenty of main meals for the week with this, I'm telling you, at least Monday to Friday for under £10. Under £10 this is. Now, this is like a chipotle spice blend. You couldn't just use salt and pepper. You could use a barbecue blend, lemon pepper. It's up to you. I like this chipotle one. Just sprinkle that on as is. Dry rub that thing. Nice and covered. Look on this something, man. TLC, the thing died for you, blood. Just give it a little TLC. No scrubs, man. Yes. Now that's done. Look at it. Look at the seasoning, bro. Don't mess about. Now, next thing, you're going to clean down your dirty pig, your dirty bomber. Wipe this something, clean down. Yeah, the chicken splashes. That's what sanitary products are for, man. You know the score. Oven bag the thing. If you ain't got an oven bag, just bang it in as is or foil it. It's up to you. Into an oven, 200 degrees, hour and a half. Now, we're going to make some tomato and chili tagliatelle. It's lovely. Just to go with it. It ain't got to be dead brown rice all the time. Onion, garlic, chili, some tender stem broccoli I'm going to chuck in there, had it in the fridge. Any veg you've got like green beans, asparagus, it bangs. You're going to get all your vitamins and minerals for the day into a hot pan, sweat that off till it's nice and soft. You can leave it crunchy if you want, it's up to you. Then what we're going to do, boil the kettle, bang the water in a pan, we're going to cook our pasta. But next thing, water in there also. Stock cube in there also. Trust me, it ain't gotta be nasty. I see this broccoli, brown rice and dead out chicken and I'm like, come on, man. For extra 40 calories a day, just put a little flavour in there, blood. Tin tomatoes. This is making your sauce now for your tagliatelle. Oof. Next thing, my friend, we're gonna get our pasta cooking. Give that a little mix. Pasta, that's fresh pasta I made. Check out the channel for that one there, blood. For that one there, I made it. Once it starts to stick a little bit like that, turn it down. See it? See it? It's reduced nicely. It's looking all rich and tasty. Pasta, straight out the water. Add that little juice. And there we have it. That's beautiful with the chicken. Trust me. Little chicken, little bit of the breast with that. Bang. Perfect post-workout, bro. Just look at it. Beautiful. Now that's cooked, we're gonna get the chicken out the oven. It's meal prep. This is multitasking. You gotta be about your thing to do all this in one day, in one go. Now it's out the oven, we're just gonna peel back. Oh my god. Would you look at that? Come on, man. Your meal prep don't look like this. But if you watch this video, it can look like this. Look at it, it's juicy, the skin's crispy, it's marinated well. It's just gorgeous, man. Let's just admire it. Steaming. Get a bone pull moment. Yeah, and yam that little piece of wing there. Look. Oh, coming out clean. It's tender, it's juicy. The breasts, even the next day, if you microwave them, it'll still be good. Now, we're just gonna portion it up. It's gonna go into our tubs. And look how it just pulls away. You just need literally a knife and fork, blood. Look, juicy, flavorful. Yeah, man, look on the breasts. Look on the boobs, the chicken boobs, the juiciness of them. Now we just tub them up. That's a whole chicken now. You got 4 days, easy there. Now, you don't throw away none of this juice. All will be revealed shortly. This is what we're gonna use to make our chicken spiced potatoes, yeah? We're gonna drain them, cool them, and then you skim off the excess fat. So it's literally just chicken stock. And then we're gonna combine them with the potatoes. But that's neither here nor there. Next job, yeah?
Spuddy buddy on deck. The return of the Mac. Funny story, this was time ago. Right, sweet potato. We're gonna peel it. Peeler. And then boof. What the? Spuddy buddy. He's dim eyes.
I think he did.
He's
dead.
Let's fix him. Try and fix him. If he can't be fixed, snapped off. He's done.
No! It's a sad time. My trusty steed is gone. You will be buried with your blades, Spuddy buddy. Goodbye. Now we crack on with this food. Peel the ting. Keep peeling till you get to that, see that orange bit? Yeah, man, just like that. Once it's all done, dash that way, clean board, chop it, boom. See it there? Rough dice. Saucepan, next thing. Straight in a saucepan, little bit of salt, boiling water. Over to your hob, soon as your boiling water's full. Yeah, man, leave that to simmer. Now, golden rice. 1 cup of rice, turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Yes, man. Garlic granules, 1 teaspoon. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, half a teaspoon. 1 veg stock. 2 cups of boiling water. Onto the stove. Lid on. Mixer. Get rid of that stock cube. Just give it a mix. We're smashing it, blood. Lid on. It was Christmas. What do you want me to do? Multitasking. Get your tubs ready. 4 for £1. Mixed veg to go in your rice. Frozen, so bang that in there. Boiling water. Trust me, this is meal prep extraordinaire. Put that to the side, you ain't got to put it on the hob. Check your potatoes. As soon as it's soft like that, mash it. Drain it, mash it. Fill it up with your olive oil. Smoked paprika, salt. Lift it up a little piece and mash. Mash up our brew. Mash up the ting, blood. No messing. And while you're mashing this, that frozen veg will be softening. That's going to go in with your golden rice. But I'll show you that now. See the mash there? Yes, man. Once the water's gone from your rice and it's nice and fluffy like so, see it there? Lovely. Get yourself a separate bowl. Washing up dishwasher. It's going to be working overtime today, blood. See it there? The rice, just fork it out so it's not too hot. And then bang. In with your veg. Mix that in. Just extra veg in it. Extra greens. Who wants just steam rice, man? Get them gains. Nah, bro. Can't be that much more calories. Surely to goodness. And it's good calories too. But never mind. Next, potatoes. Remember the chicken stock? Scrape off that fat at the top layer to reveal that tasty chicken juice stock into a saucepan with that. Don't worry, it's jellified like all good stock. Get your potatoes, skin on, slice them, extra nutrients. Yeah, garlic cloves, bang them in there whole. You're gonna simmer it, let the flavors soak in. It's gonna be next level. I'm telling you. As soon as they're in there, dice up a green pepper. This is sick for students, you know, I must say. September's coming. Might do a student season. Bang them in there, rough chop, boiling water, on the stove, high heat, lid on. See it? Stock's melted, it will just simmer away in there for a good 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, man. See? Soaking up all that stock, all that flavour. Yeah? No fat either. We skimmed all the fat off. Look, once they're soft, they're done. Drain them off. Just tasty carbs, man. Yeah, boy. Oh my days. And then, yeah, just frozen veg medley. Student ting. This is all for under £10, you know. Lidl, Aldi, that's where it's at. Chicken, potatoes, veg. Got your whole chicken. Do steak if you need. Veg, mash, that for extra. Like, it's just next level, blood. Come on. Chicken, golden veg, rice, sweet potato mash, your chili and tomato tagliatelle, mixed veg, spicy potatoes, more chicken. What more could you need? What more do you need for a week? Main meals, you're sorted. Yeah, boy. Drop us a like, baby. There's nothing more to say. Love you. Bye.